Welcome back to Jiggity's Tutorials. Today you will learn how to create a booking option for something that you are selling. At Jiggity, we recognize that not all businesses sell products. However, the terminology that you will see in the back end of your website does represent products, even if it is a service that you are selling. If you are trying to sell a bookable item, you just need to create a product as if it were a normal product, and you should see it in your products category. When you scroll down, you will see that I have created a haircut and color. When I select that, you will see at the top in the editing section a booking reservation system option. Please select it now. When you have selected that, you will see that there are 3 booking types: multiple bookings in one day, a single booking for many days, or custom booking for many days. Today I am going to create a multiple booking in one day option, and I'm going to make this available for the whole month of October, so it will end on October 31st. I want to make sure that I have enough time for the haircut and color, so I'm going to allow them to book 45-minute slots. But I do want to make sure that I have a 15-minute break in between to do anything else that I need to do. I am then going to apply this to all of the days of a week that I want to be open and allow clients to book. I want to be closed on Sundays, and on Mondays, I'm going to be open from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. You can make these whatever you would like it to be. I am then going to repeat that for Tuesdays from 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. And I just have to type it in for each one and then select. I'm going to close the other days of the week because my hair salon is busy on the other days. Once I've finished selecting all of the times and that I am available, I just have to select Save in the top right corner. Now, if I want to see what has been booked, I can go to Marketing, Booking Reservation System, and Multiple Booking in one day. When I choose that, I can see that the product name is called Haircut and Color, that it's available for October with 45-minute slots and 15-minute breaks. And I can also open this up to see who has booked it and when. If I go back and I want to edit this, I just select the product name and I can make any changes that I need to. Congratulations on learning how to create your own booking system.